Here are the steps to become a notary in Mississippi. First, to qualify to become a notary, you'll need to be 18 or older, be a legal resident of Mississippi, be a citizen or legal permanent resident of the United States, be able to read and write English, and you can't have any disqualifying offenses on your record. If you meet these qualifications, let's discuss how to get your notary certification in Mississippi. To start, you'll need to go to the Mississippi Secretary of State's website to fill out an application. Then, in order to submit it, you'll need to get the application notarized by a Mississippi notary. Next, pay the application fee, and the Secretary of State will email you a pre-commission certificate. Then, you'll purchase a bond with $5,000 in coverage and file it with the Secretary of State's office along with an oath of office. Once your bond is received, you'll receive your notary commission. Finally, you'll need to order some supplies like your Mississippi Notary seal stamp and notary journal. Are you ready to become a notary in Mississippi? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Mississippi. Visit nationalnotary.org/Mississippi to get started today.